Hi, my name is Evan Campbell, and this is the Understanding by Design Overview Workshop, Stage 2. Let's get started. In Stage 2 of the Understanding by Design approach to building courses and curriculum, we must determine acceptable evidence to measure student success. To begin Stage 2, we need to identify performance tasks. Performance tasks allow us to measure students' ability to transfer what they learn into real-world or simulated situations. The performance task must be complex, and they must allow students to demonstrate their understanding. Evaluative criteria is what we use to grade the performance task and judge whether or not students have acquired the desired learning. It should incorporate the most important qualities. Once performance tasks have been identified, enter them here and the evaluative criteria here. Enter all transfer and meaning codes from stage 1 in this column that correspond with the performance task. Once the performance section has been filled out, we can begin filling out the other evidence section. Other evidence is made up of quizzes, tests, homework, etc. that demonstrate that the learning of knowledge, skills, standards, and other desired results not assessed by a performance task were acquired. Similar to performance task, we need to create the other evidence evaluative criteria to judge whether or not students fully acquired the lessons. Once other evidence has been identified, enter it here and its evaluative criteria here. Use this column to enter transfer, meaning, knowledge, and skill codes from stage 1. Once we have finished identifying our other evidence, we move on to our grading rubric. This rubric should include the criterion you use to evaluate your assessment, the levels that are used, and a description of those levels and criteria. Don't forget to have a no evidence column for accurate grading and feedback. Completion of the rubric marks the end of Stage 2. Thank you, and I hope you join me for the final installment.